Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce a amazing website. It's called VideoIdeas.ai. So if you want to create your YouTube journey, then this website help you a lot. Like everything, if you want to see this your AI YouTube content factory, so this is the main feature here, like full video script. If you're really looking for your script, then this website help you send an analytics. So if you like any channel like others creators, then they will help you to find the perfect one, viral shot from content. And this website also give you the viral tips and tricks about short and long videos. Also videos ad script, so craft compelling video ads that convert viewers into customers. Style cloning and content strategy. So it's not free. Like if you really want to YouTube journey seriously, then you have to pay a little bit. And this video you can get here, like you will they showed you like how to use this application. And if you come here and price, then you can see here like in basic 8 dollar per month, and it's pro 24 month. And the teams, like if you want to start your YouTube journey, then you can package this one. It's 83. So okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to